How to fix Rainbow Six Siege not launching. In your Steam library, make sure you hit this gear icon, go to Manage, and then Browse Local Files. From here, go to BattlEye, and what we're gonna do is uninstall it and then reinstall it back again. So let's do that. Let's hit yes. Okay. We've now uninstalled it, and now install BattlEye. Now that you've done that, try opening the game up again, and if that doesn't work, simply go to the gear icon again, go to Properties, install the files, and then verify integrity of game files. Simply click that, and you're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and when it's done, it's gonna figure out everything that's wrong with your game, and it's gonna repair it by itself. Now if it still doesn't work, let's go to the Browse Local Files again, scroll all the way down until you see Rainbow Six right here, the application, right click it, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and make sure Run this program as an administrator is selected, and hit Apply. And there you go, Rainbow Six Siege should launch. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.